The Walmart website holds great consistency throughout the product page, which is demonstrated by having rows of products consisting of the same size, and clicking every product will lead you to a page where you can look through pictures, select the colors, quantity, and with buttons for adding to cart, quantity and color, as well as the description and return policy, which is identical in every product page, so it's easy to navigate. And since this design is consistent through every product, makes it very easy to learn about the product, add it to your cart easier since this layout is consistent in every page. Walmart does a great job incorporating shortcuts as well. This is demonstrated through navigating the list of product pages, and instead of needing to open a new browser with the item, you can actually keep scrolling through items and add to your cart using the button instead of having to open a new page, and makes the process much more seamless and incredible easier to shop for multiple products at the same time.
For the interactive feedback, the first thing that really caught my eyes was this slideshow right over here. So by clicking on the gray bar at the bottom, you can see that the images is moving according to the movement of my cursor, which I think is a pretty neat and fun functionality that would improve user experience. Another thing that I really like is the behavior of the buttons. So if you go down here, you can see that whenever my cursor hovers over a button, it gets shaded in, which is good because it gives an affordance of an interactable button, which a user should know about. For the dialogue, I think the website does a pretty good job in using it to communicate with their customers. For instance, let's say a customer wanted to add an item into their favorites list. They can do so by clicking on this heart icon over here. And what's going to happen is after they click it, a dialogue is going to appear at the bottom, which informs them that the item has been successfully added, like so. And similarly, if you click it again, it's going to show that it's been removed.
For number 5, error handling, I think Walmart.ca does a great job at using language that doesn't leave the user feeling at fault. I also think the size and the location of the pop-ups are very well done, and they don't just use the same one for each thing. For example, in the clip, they use 2 different alerts for a changing password and for how many things you're allowed to have in your cart. For number 6, permit reversal of actions. If I wanted to go ahead and buy those 5 TVs, but for some reason I accidentally removed it out of my cart, Walmart.ca doesn't have a function that lets me find that item again. You have to go back on their website and look for that certain TV again.